Hello! It is my friend Judy's birthday today, so we are sitting outside Willie's just now. She lives like an hour away from us, so we've just come and we are buying some lemons because we bought her some tequila for her birthday. I'm very leopard printy today. Got these new sunnies and I've got my leopard print leggings on and I've got my purse and my bag. Everything is leopard print. Stu says it's getting out of control, which it probably is. We're just drinking some Red Bull and then well, yeah, our night progresses on some heavier stuff. Alright. Peace out.
Wow, what's that?
I literally just did my makeup in the dark. Power went out at like 3 p.m. ish, and it hasn't gone back on, and it's nearly 8 o'clock. Fuel station's still open. Everything else is pitch black. So we're just trying to find if like the other side of the island has power, because I know some people do, but we've just been in the house with lanterns. My voice is so bad. Alright, we'll see how we get on. Don't get mad.
Get even. Go for it.
Oh my god, too much.
I like it.
You read your vote. We DJ.
Right here on Fox, he was saying, we need an autopsy of what went wrong for Democrats. How's that going to That's what the Republicans did after Romney.
Yes.
You're cute.
We got band cranking. Bits and pieces, they need a drummer. There's no drummer there. Backing track's cheaper than fucking drummer. Less effort.